everyone's the same with Creating with the Heart, and I just wanted to share a couple things that I just got in from, was it World Card Making Day weekend? I don't know. So, I had a lot of things come in, but excuse me for the sounds, but this is just something that I just got in, and I want to be able to put some things away. And so this is from scrapbook.com, and scrapbook.com had a couple of really good free gifts, and I'm a sucker for a free gift. So first you got these, I think you had to spend $20. Then you got this for left or right-handed scissors. So I might actually give these to my son who's left-handed. I'll see if he needs any scissors, because he can do pretty much everything right-handed if he needs to. But scissors are rough. Are rough for lefties. If you're a lefty, you probably know that. The other free gift was this sweater weather by Lawn Fawn. I think I have the big one. That was a free gift from Frank Garcia a few months back. So, but now I got the mini one that came free. Also free, so it's 3 free gifts, is this Pops of Color in this pretty mint color. So those were the free gifts. And then what I bought this stamp set. I had my eye on this one. This is Creative Expressions, and these are really nice sized gingerbread people. I just think it's adorable, so got that. And then I also bought all of these gingerbread bits and pieces, which I thought were adorable. So got those. And then My Creative Time had a new release. So I got this gingerbread house. I really like the size of it. It's a really good size. And it's sort of simple in the sense that there's not a bazillion teeny tiny little pieces. I cannot tolerate the teeny tiny pieces. It's just, as I get older, I just have impatience. They also had, I have the little gingerbread people that these are kind of like based on, but this stamp set's just adorable. So it's 2 sizes of the cups, hot cocoa cups filled with little gingerbread, and little candy canes and some cute sentiments, and then the dies. And then Greeting Farm, I did the Greeting Farm, they had sold out of their, let's see, Stamptember from Simon Says stamp set, the exclusive stamp set. They sold out of it, so they had their own little stamp made up, as kind of like, it felt bad because there's so many Greeting Farm fans that didn't get that stamp set, which I did get that stamp set. So, but I also got this one, which is called Pumpkin Spice Anya. So super cute and adorable. I got her. Let's see. Trinity stamps. This was on clearance plus an additional off. I did buy this because I just like it. So it's a ticket stamp set, or die, excuse me. And then you got this little, came with these little star embellishments, or star confetti, or whatever that is. And then Mama Elephant, if you spent $40, then you got a free witch's hat, which I saw someone also make an elf hat out of this. And I don't know, maybe make a Santa hat out of it. I don't know, but it was adorable. So I spent $40 and got this. I got this stamp set, which I've had my eye on. It is the hot cocoa with the die and the big Oh So Jolly. Got that. And then my box, which I also have let me find the stamp and die I also got. Let's see. Here it is. So, it's a little note from Jamie. I hope the new designs bring you joy. Many thanks, Jamie. So that's very sweet. This is the stamp and die of the month. I'll be honest, it's really kind of not my style, but I mean, that's bound to happen. It happens with all of the boxes and things I do. Even La La Land Crafts, there'll be a design that I just know I'm not going to really use a lot. But it is very, very pretty. So there's that. And then This is this box has a lot of stuff in it. It is jam-packed with stuff. So that's kind of exciting stuff. So first is a layering die. So I saw this die, or not layering die, layering stencil. And so it makes a little bit of a layered poinsettia, and then it does a layered nutcracker, which I think is adorable. So very cute. Usually the papers all kind of match the ephemera. So we have this, I don't know what it's called, Winter Magic ephemera. It's really pretty. So it's kind of like based on the nutcracker. So it's really pretty colors like silvers, blacks, pinks, really pretty. And then it matches, or peach maybe, I don't know, this Winter Magic paper pad, which is really beautiful. So, and then it matches sort of this stamp set kind of, I mean, I guess they could go either way, but they kind of all one set matches one and one set matches the other. And then this one is these fun owls. It says Happy Owl Days, so I'm going to have to fool around with that. And then we have some cute ephemera that goes with that, and then Deck the Owls. So this kind of all goes together with the owls. And then this time, we don't always get confetti, but this time we did. And so this is Snow Bloom. And this really, I think, goes well with both, but definitely with the Winter Magic. I think it's really, cool. And then we always get a little pack of goodies, and so it has her business card in there and a lollipop, and then usually a little sampling of sequins. So really fun products. I can't wait to play with them. I wish I had more time, but I have been just busy, and then when I'm not busy, I'm tired. So there's that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Creating the Heart.